Alright, ladies and gentlemen, my name's Mr. McCain, and this is the instructional video on the riff for Oh Pretty Woman. So the riff goes like this. I'm going to play the first two lines up until where it says verse on the first page of the music provided. I misplayed the last note there, but that's how it goes, and I played the first chord of the verse there. So how we're going to break this down, as you should break down everything you play, is into two sections. And the easiest way to think is just 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you get to that fifth fret on your fifth string, you're holding it for 4 beats. So to start the riff, we're going open, open on the lowest E string, sliding up to the 4th fret. As you can see, there's a slide on the music. Ooh. And then we go 2nd fret on the 5th string, and then the 5th fret. So 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're holding that D note for 2 minims or 4 beats worth. It's a weird way of counting it, but once you get used to it and you've practiced it a bit, it totally sticks in your head. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And then we go into 4, 4. Way easier to count. So we've gone over the first 2 bars here. Helpfully you get a 4 beat introduction on the drums on the backing track, so godsend. Then we're on riff A, as it's called in the music, 4, 4. But all it is, really, is that same riff, but with 3 extra notes added. It sounds like this. Dead simple once you get into the swing of it. It's just the same thing, a bar's worth of notes repeated 4 times. So let's try it from the start. We have our 0, 0 slide up to the 4th fret on the 6th string, 2, 5, and then you're using your 3rd finger to quickly nip in behind and catch that 4th fret on the D string. So we've got 0, 0 slide, 2, 5, 4, 2, 5. So you're kind of working up and then down. 0, 0, 4, 2, 5, and then the next string, 4, 2, 5. And as you can see, you might not be able to see so easily with my left hand, but it's just alternate picking, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. It's hard to say and play. So you're not really doing anything more complicated than just with your right hand, with your picking hand. With your left hand, slide 2, 5, 4, 2, 5, 0, 0. It's a complicated little riff. It's difficult to learn, but once you know it and it's ingrained in your head, no bother at all. I would suggest practicing slowly and building up the speed. So the easiest thing is just practice 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that before you go. Again, played the wrong note. This has been the riff video. This is to accompany the play along video. what I'd like you guys to do is learn this riff really well before you actually go on to the play along video. Partly because it's the most fun part, and partly because you really need to know the riff well before you actually play the song. Thank you very much, Mr. McCain. That's my name. I'm not thanking myself. This has been the riff video for Oh Pretty Woman.